In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to update Netflix on any smart TV. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So the first thing we need to do is to go into apps right here, as you can see. So go into apps here, then you're going to, in here you can find Netflix, but you need to actually find Google Play Store. So if you have Google Play Store in here, that's perfect. I don't, so I have to search for apps and games right here. So I'm just going to search for it here. But if you have a Google Play Store, you can just search for Netflix and there instead, it's no problem. And I'm just going to search for Netflix here, as you can see now. Then I'm going to click right here. Now we're just going to wait, and here is Netflix. So click on Netflix right here. And you can see, for me, it says it has like a white button here, as you can see, where it says open, right? But if it says update for you, that means that you already now have an update that you need to get. But if it just says open for you, that means that you don't really have any update, by the way. So if it has an update, you will see it automatically on the white button here. It says update. But if it says open, that means that you already have the latest update, just so you know. But basically, this is exactly how to actually do this.